It's very annoying to clean your clothes only to have them smell worse after drying. Let's look at what causes this and how you can prevent it. Cause 1. Not starting the tumble dryer straight away. If you leave wet clothes in the tumble dryer for a long time before starting it, they will start to smell funky. Make sure you start drying your clothes as soon as they've been washed. Cause 2. The tumble dryer is dirty. It's not uncommon for tumble dryers to start getting smelly if they're not maintained regularly. While in theory, tumble dryers are only drying clean clothes, they can still get dirty. You should clean your tumble dryer once a month to keep it from starting to smell. Cause 3. Using a new tumble dryer. If you've recently bought a new tumble dryer, your laundry might smell because the machine still contains some of the residual chemicals from the manufacturing process. This chemical-like aroma usually goes after the dryer has been used a few times. Cause 4. Using the wrong settings on your dryer. If your laundry smells burnt after using the dryer, this could mean you've used a temperature that's too hot. Using lower temperatures and shorter drying times should prevent this. Cause 5. Environmental smells. If you've dried your clothes outside, the smell could have come from nearby smells, for example, a neighbour's bonfire or barbecue. If you've been air drying your clothes inside, they might have picked up cooking smells. Cause 6. Smells picked up during washing. Sometimes the smell on your clothes won't be from the drying phase, but rather from the washing phase. It could be that your washing machine needs cleaning, or your clothes haven't been cleaned properly due to not using the right temperature, cycle length, or amount of laundry detergent. Cleaning your washing machine using hotter temperatures and more laundry detergent can prevent this from happening. I hope this video has helped you identify why your laundry smells after drying. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry and washing tips. Thanks for watching.